Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna again show you some basic tricks and tips about mathematics. Today, we are gonna see how to take square root of any number within some seconds. Now, give me number which is a perfect square.
You can take 784.
784, okay. Now, right here, square root of 784. We can see number is not so large, but it's too difficult or too lengthy, too time consuming process to find the square root of this number by this method. This is the real and old method to find the square root of any number. But the simplest method is that take the last two digits of any number, given number, last two digits of given number. Now take the last digit of that number. It is 4. Square of 2 is equal to 4. Also, square of 8 is equal to 64. That is ending with 4. So the probabilities of the square root are 2 and 8. Now, we take the first number, the remaining numbers is 7. The nearest perfect square in 7 is 4. That is 2 square. As 7 is greater than 4, we take the greater number, that is 8. So, we write this 2 over here and this 8. The 2 comes from the number which is a perfect square nearer to 7. So you get square root of 784 is equal to 28. Now, give me some big number than 784.
You can take 9409.
Oh my god, 9,409. Are you serious? Let's try it out. Square root of 9,409 with the same technique mentioned before. We will take these two numbers. The last digit is 9. The square of 3 is 9. Also, the square of 7 is 49, that is ending with a 9. Now, we take these two numbers. The nearest square, nearest perfect square to this is 81, that is 9 square. As 94 is greater than 81, we take the greater number from this and this 9. So the square root of 9409 becomes 9 from here and 7 from here. That is the square root of 9409. Now, give me a number which could be 10,000s, or we can say its square root will be greater than 100.
Take 18,496.
Oh my god. 18,496, okay? Square root 18,496. We try the same method. Taking last two digit. Last digit is 6. The square of 4 is 16. Last digit is 6. Also, the square of 6 is 36. Saying the last digit again 6. Now we take the three numbers from here. As we know, the 184 nearest perfect square 184 is 169. 9. It is square root of 13. So right here 13 square equal to 169 and 184. As 184 is greater than 169, we'll choose the greater number from here and 13 from here. So we'll get 136. That's the square root of 18,496. Now, we'll try to take square root of a number which is greater than 150. As we know, the square root of 22500 is 150. So, we try to take square root of a number greater than this. The technique varies in 150 numbers. That is, here, as the perfect square was smaller, you take the bigger number. But here, if the perfect square is greater, then we'll take the greater number. Also, if the perfect square is smaller, we'll take the smaller number, and if the perfect square is greater, we'll take the greater. So, we'll take a number greater than this. Tell me a number greater than this.
Take 26,244.
26,000.
244.
244. The technique I mentioned before. 44. That is 8 square is equal to 64, 4, and 2 square is equal to 4. First three numbers, that is the remaining part, excluding the last two. First three numbers. The perfect square nearest to this is 256. That is the square of 16. As the perfect square is less than 262, we'll take the lesser number from this two, that is 2, and 16 from here. So the square root of 26,244 is 162. You can see, guys, here the smaller number, the perfect square was smaller, we take the bigger number. It's just opposite to here. As the perfect square is smaller, we take the smaller number. This technique varies between 0 to 150 and 150 and so on. So the perfect square of 26,244 is 162. Now, give me a number which is a perfect square but greater than 26,244. Any number.
39,204.
You mean 39,000? Pardon? 39,000?
204.
204. Last two numbers is 4. That is 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. That means 4. Now, the first three numbers. Nearest possible square, perfect square to 39,204, that is 392, is 361. That's the square of 19. And the 392 is greater than 361. We take the greater number and we take the 19 from here. So we'll get 198. So, square root of 39,204 is equal to 198. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash that like button. If you want more videos and about mathematics tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to SK Brothers. Bye bye.